Now we are going to discuss Roop in Dhammasangani, that how Roop has been treated in the text Dhammasangani, which is called as the first book of Abhidhamma Pitaka. Roop has been treated in 3 chapters. In Dhammasangani, the 122 Abhidhamma Matikas have been set up the angle of vision for clarifying the Roop along with other 4 Rupa reals. The Nikhepa Kand as well as Athdwar Kand has treated the Roop in various ways along with other Dhammas. The second chapter of Dhammasangani has mainly devoted to treat the Roop with minute details. Therefore, wherever we speak of the treatment of the Roop, we refer to the Roop Khand for the purpose. How does it do so? It first of all raises a question as Katme Dhamma Abhyakata, and in answer to this, the Vipaka Chit, Kriya Chit, Roop and Nibbana have been enumerated. Again, a question has been raised that what is Roop? Katmam Sabbam Roopam. The answer is Chattaro cha Mahabhuta Chatunnam cha Mahabhutanam Upadai Idam Bucchati Sabbam Roopam. Thus, while raising the question, what is the Roop? It has been stated that the 4 Mahabhutas as well as the Rupas generated by them are all Roop. In this way, the total number of Roop raises to 27. 4 Mahabhut and 23 Upada Roop. Immediately after the treatment of the Roop proceeds into 2 ways, that is in the Uddesan way and the Niddesh way. Uddesh means enumeration, Niddesh means explanation. In other way, the first of all under the Uddesh Roop Matika have been established. They are 11 in number as एक विधेन रूप संग हो, 2 विधेन रूप संग हो, 3 विधेन रूप संग हो. Under each head there are a number of questions of different angles and there shall be the exposition. Then there comes the Niddesana. There each question raised under the Uddesh has been thoroughly examined and discussed. How it is so? In Uddesana, under the Ekak Nipaat, Ekak Matika or Ek Vidhena Rupa Sangaho, only one aspect of Rupa has been enumerated. But in very long list, the attributes are stated for enumeration of the Rupa Matika. Here it throws a flood of light on the nature of the Rupa. For example, all the Rupas are na hetu. They are neither lobha, dosa, moha, nor alobha, ados and amoha. They are also not associated with hetu. That means hetu vipayut. The Rup is also sapachaya, which means it originates due to some causes and conditions. It is also sahetuk, sankhata, which means composite, made up of so many things. It is changing, therefore it is called as Ruppati iti Rupam. It is mundane. It becomes the object of pollution, hindrance, a strong desire, defilement, etc. Rup is also called Abhyakat, which means neither moral nor immoral. It is na arambanam, that is, it does not catch object. It is neither chitta nor chetasik, neither vipak nor kriya, nor sukh sahagat or upekha sahagat. In the end, it has been stated as impermanent and subject to decay. This is known by 6 Vijnana. With this, nature of the Rup becomes sufficiently clear. In Dukmatika, there are as many as 42 questions. Each question has its own aspect. Each aspect examines the roop in one way. For example, first Matika raises two questions at Athirupam Upada and Athirupam no Upada. When we speak of treatment of roop in three ways under Tik Matika, each contains three aspects. The first three aspects of the three Tikmatika may proceed in following way. Yam tam upada ajhatikam tam upada, yam tam rupam bahiram tam athi upada, athi no upada. The Chatubidhena Rupa Sangaho contains 20 questions, each having four aspects, which are following. Yam tam rupam upada tam athi upadinnam, athi upadinnam, yam tam rupam anupadinnam, tam athi upadinnam, athi anupadinnam. Here altogether the rupas are same, 23, but split up into four divisions. In Panchavidhena Rupa Sangaho, the same Rupa has been put under the divisions for the sake of analytical study as Pathvi Dhatu, Apo Dhatu, Tejo Dhatu, Vayo Dhatu and Upada Rupa. When we proceed for Chhabidhena Rupa Sangaho, Rupa has been divided into 6 divisions from the standpoint of sources, through which they are known as Chakhuviyena Rupam, Sotabiyena Rupam, Ghanbiyena Rupam, Jihvabiyena Rupam, Kaybiyena Rupam, Manobiyena Rupam. Satvidhena Rupa Sangaho examines the roop in 7 ways. Again, the standpoint of sources of which they are known like Chakhuviyena Rupam, Sotabiyena Rupam, Ghanbiyena Rupam, Jihvabiyena Rupam, Kaybiyena Rupam, Manodhatu Biyena Rupam, Manobiyan Dhatu Biyena Rupam. Similarly, in Atvidhena Rupa Sangaho, the same Rupa has been divided into 8 heads from the standpoint of sources from which they are known as Chakhuviyena Rupam, Sotabiyena Rupam, Ghanbiyena Rupam, Jihvabiyena Rupam, Kaybiyena Rupam, Athi Sukh Sampasaham, Athi Dukh Sampasaham, Mano Dhatu Biyen Rupam, Mano Biyan Dhatu Biyen Rupam. Similarly, in Atvidhena Rupa Sangaho, the same Rupa has been divided into 8 heads from the standpoint of sources from which they are known as Chakhubiyena Rupam, Sotabiyena Rupam, Ghanbiyena Rupam, Jihvabiyena Rupam, Kaybiyena Rupam, Athi Sukh Sampasaha, Athi Dukh Sampasaham, Mano Dhatu Biyeyam Rupam, Mano Biyan Dhatu Biyen Rupam. Navidhena Rupa Sangaho, that is the Chakhu Biyena Rupam, Sot Indriyam, Ghan Indriyam, Jihva Indriyam, Kai Indriyam, Ithi Indriyam, Prus Indriyam, Jivit Indriyam, Yamcha Rupam Na Indriyam. Now we are going to discuss Das Vidhena Rupa Sangaho. That is Chakhu Indriyam, Sot Indriyam, Ghan Indriyam, Jihva Indriyam, Kai Indriyam, Ithi Indriyam, Purus Indriyam, Jivit Indriyam, Indriyam Rupam Athi Sapatigham Athi Apatigham. Now we are going to discuss Ekadas Vidhena Rupa Sangaho. Chakhayetanam, Sotaayetanam, Ghanayetanam, Jihvaayetanam, Kayayetanam, Rupayetanam, Saddhayetanam, Gandhayetanam, Rasayetanam, स्फुटब्बायतनम यम च रूपम अनिदत्सनम अपटिघम धम्मायतनम परियापुन्नम. Thus, the treatment of the roop is seen under the Uddeshanaya, wherein all the possible points have been enumerated. It has been again treated under Nideshanaya, wherein there is the explanation of all the questions raised therein. Under the Ekak Matika, only the same explanation goes on under Dukh Matika. First of all, there is enumeration of Upada Roop as 23 like Chakhayatana, Sotayatanam, etc. Again, each of them has been explained in all possible ways. For instance, a question has been raised, Katamam Tam Rupam Chakhayatanam. The answer is Yam Chakkhum Chatunnam Mahabhutanam Upadaya Pasad Atth Bhava Pariyapanno Anidassano Sapatigham Idam Tam Rupam Chakhayatanam. This has been explained in 4 ways. Similarly, the Sot, Ghan, Jihva, etc. have been treated in at least 4 expositions. The treatment of Roop under all the Matika with minute details may be seen. But here, for the sake of clarity, it may be put in the exposition of 4 Mahabhutas which have been treated under the Nidesh way of Panchak Matika. Thank you very much for hearing this module. I hope you might have got an insight in understanding the material qualities and how it has been treated in the Dhammasangani, the first book of Abhidhamma Pitaka. Thank you.